friends, today we will talk about the Singer Mini Split Air Conditioner Remote. As you can see, this is the remote and it has several functions. The first function, of course, is the on-off button. Whenever you press this, you can turn the air conditioner on or off. After that, the next function located at the top is the fan function. This allows you to control the fan speed. You can see this circular motion on the display. It's used for adjusting the speed. As soon as I press fan speed button, the fan speed will decrease. Notice that the speed has reduced. Then it moves to the second level, and now to the third speed, then to the fourth, and here it is at full speed. So, you can adjust the fan speed according to your needs, and the fan will operate at your desired level. Next, we have the swing function. When you press the swing button, you can adjust the direction of the airflow based on where you need it. You can stop it wherever you want. Then, there's the temperature setting function. You can adjust the temperature using down and up button if you need less cooling. Press the up button to increase the temperature. If you need more cooling, press the down button. The cooling effect will increase as you lower the temperature. After that, the next function in use is the mode function located in the center. With this button, you can change between different modes. For example, if you want to set it to cooling mode, it's now set. If you press the button again, it switches to dry mode. In dry mode, the air conditioner works to remove the moisture in the room, making the room completely dry. That's how the dry function works. The next function is the fan mode. In this mode, only the fan will run, and nothing else will operate. Notice that no temperature is shown. It's just fan mode. You can run it on fan mode if needed. This can be useful when you only want the fan running, as it's often a better option. Then, there's the auto function. When you set it to auto, the air conditioner senses the room temperature and the outdoor temperature, then adjusts accordingly to heat or cool the room. This allows you to use the air conditioner based on the actual conditions. Next, we have the sleep function. When you press the sleep button, it means you're preparing to sleep, so you turn this function on. What happens is that, if your air conditioner is set to 16 or 18 degrees Celsius, it will very slowly increase the temperature. Additionally, the fan will gradually slow down and reduce noise, so it won't disturb you while you sleep. This function is ideal for people who prefer a quiet environment while sleeping. The air conditioner will adjust the room temperature based on your body's temperature, cooling or warming the room slowly as needed. This way, you get a benefit with more comfortable sleep. Since a person's body heats up while sleeping, even a slight breeze can feel cold. So this feature prevents you from feeling too cold by maintaining a comfortable temperature in the room according to your body's needs. The next function is the timer. When you want the air conditioner to run for a specific period, like 6 hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, or 1 hour, you can set it accordingly. You can also decrease the time, depending on how many hours you want it to run. After pressing the timer button, you'll see 6 hours appear, and you can adjust it up or down. The AC will stay on for the specified hours and then automatically turn off. You don't need to manually turn it off. Even if you leave the room, it will turn off automatically, which can help reduce your electricity bill significantly. The last button here doesn't have any function. It's just placed there without a purpose. That's all the information, and I hope this helps you understand the remote settings better and take full advantage of it. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.